Hey, what's up guys, it's CP Films and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot. So as you can see, I have the dot right here. It says add Alexa to any room. In the box they have included the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation and the power adapter 15 watts. You can use Amazon Prime Music, you can use Saavn, you can use Ola, you can use Zomato. So now let's unbox this dot. So here we have the dot itself. So as you can see, this is the dot. And also inside the box we get the instruction manual, things to try. You can ask for music and radio, news and information, call and messaging, alarms, timers, reminders and etc. The last thing we have is the power adapter. So now let's take a look at this Echo. So as you can see here, you have to connect your power here. You have plus minus for the volume. You click this for Alexa and this if you don't want her to listen to your conversations. So here I have this gray dot. It has a really nice texture to it, feels really soft. Down here we don't have anything other than the logo itself. So let's take this plastic off. So it's smooth on the surface. It has 4 microphones here. And you can use this to control your house. You can book cabs. You can also order things from Amazon. And obviously you're gonna use it for music. You can use Amazon Prime Music or any third-party music services. So this is all you get in the box. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.